Today I'll be working on this Portulacaria. Hi, I'm David, this is Bonsaifly. As you can see, this is a standard Portulacaria bonsai that I got from a hardware store. It was kind of overgrown but had a lot of potential. Whenever I get a new tree, I like to repot it. I do this for two reasons. The first is that I want to check the roots and therefore see how healthy the tree is. The second reason is that the standard bonsai pots the trees come in often don't look very good, and I'd like to switch that up for a more aesthetically pleasing pot. As you can see here, the tree has a lot of roots, which is good, but it's also in black soil, which isn't very free draining. So I'm gonna switch that out with my own soil mix. I'm also gonna check for potential roots that I can expose to the surface to create a nebari. For this, I'm using chopsticks. I want the roots to spread out from the trunk, so I'm removing crossing roots. I am also cutting off elongated roots. This is the pot that I chose for this tree. The beige color of this one harmonizes way better with the color of the tree. I cover the hole on the bottom of the pot with a mesh. This is to prevent soil from falling out of the pot. I also pull wire through the other holes to anchor the tree in the pot. Then I fill the pot with my soil mix. My current soil mix is a mixture of medium-sized pumice and lava. Then I place the tree on top and use the wires to anchor it into the pot. Then I fill up the rest of the pot with my soil mix. I work in the soil using my chopstick and my hands. I cut back some of the roots that are still exposed, and then I create a layer of topsoil using black soil. This is just to protect some of the delicate roots that are still exposed. I also remove all of the cheap wire that is still on the tree. And this is a very common thing to find when buying commercial bonsai trees. This is what the tree looked like after the repotting. This is now just about 5 weeks later. As you can see, the tree is doing very well. It has even put out some new growth. I start the styling by removing sucker branches on the bottom of the tree. You can see here that there is a nice trunk line which is hidden under a lot of branches, so I'll take those off. also removing any other obviously unnecessary branches. Then I start wiring the tree. I start with the heaviest, thickest wire on the trunk. The wire size for the branches is smaller. I don't recommend over-wiring on Portulacarias as they are succulent, so they don't have hardwood and can break easily. When I set a branch, I imagine that it is trying to grow away from other branches and toward the light, which is how branches grow in nature. Before I show you the final result, I'd like to take a moment to thank you. You taking the time out of your day to watch my video really means a lot to me. See you on the next one.